Inbox AI is a brand new AI software that promises to revolutionize the way we manage and optimize email inboxes. If you're looking for a smarter way to handle your email organization, marketing, or customer interactions, this tool could be exactly what you need. But before you dive in, let's break down the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about Inbox AI before you start using it. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal how you can try it for free and how it compares to other AI tools that have been dominating the market. First, Inbox AI is designed to automate and streamline your inbox management using cutting-edge artificial intelligence. What sets this tool apart is its ability to categorize and prioritize emails with minimal input. It doesn't just sort them, it understands the content and context of each message, helping you stay organized with ease. This AI doesn't just react to emails, it anticipates what you'll need and suggests actions, which can be a huge time saver. Another standout feature is its integration with email marketing campaigns. If you're running a business and looking for a more personalized approach to engaging your customers, Inbox AI allows you to automate responses while tailoring them to each recipient. This means your outreach feels more human and less like a generic sales pitch. You can set up drip campaigns and automated follow-ups, increasing your chances of conversion without having to do everything manually. Inbox AI also has some advanced filtering options that can significantly boost productivity. With its machine learning capabilities, it learns what kind of emails you want to keep and what you want to ignore. Over time, this system gets smarter, meaning it can predict your preferences more accurately and filter out the spam or less important messages. For someone who's tired of sifting through endless emails, this feature is a game changer. The software is not just for personal use. It's excellent for teams and businesses, especially in customer support. With its AI-driven conversational tools, it can help manage customer service requests, respond to inquiries, and even resolve common issues with automated assistance. This can help reduce the workload for human staff, allowing them to focus on more complex tasks. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Inbox AI's interface is sleek, intuitive, and user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The setup process is straightforward, and the software is designed to work seamlessly with popular email platforms like Gmail and Outlook. Plus, its mobile version ensures you can stay on top of your emails no matter where you are. But there's one more thing to keep in mind. Inbox AI is still relatively new, and as with any new software, it's not perfect. There might be occasional bugs or quirks that need ironing out as the team continues to improve it. However, based on its early performance, Inbox AI shows a lot of promise and has already earned some rave reviews from digital marketing experts and business owners alike. Finally, let me remind you that you can try Inbox AI completely free from the first link in the description below. If you're curious to see how it stacks up against other email management tools, this is a no-risk opportunity to explore its features firsthand. You'll also find my list of other recommended AI software options in the description. After testing thousands of tools, I've curated only the best for you to try for free. So, whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or someone simply looking to make their email management more efficient, Inbox AI could be a game changer for you. Be sure to check it out and let me know what you think in the comments below.